Craving a Big Mac but only have a McDonald's gift card? No problem. Let's break down exactly how to use it in store, on the app, and even for delivery. First up, using your gift card in store is super easy. Just head to your local McDonald's, browse the menu board, and place your order with the cashier. When it's time to pay, simply present your McDonald's gift card to the cashier. They'll swipe the card and deduct the amount from your total. If your gift card doesn't cover the entire cost, you can pay the remaining balance with cash, debit card, or another accepted payment method. Now, for using your gift card on the McDonald's app, open the app and start your order like usual. Once you've selected your items, proceed to checkout. On the payment screen, look for the option to add a gift card. You may need to scroll down, tap on it, then carefully enter the gift card number and any associated PIN. The app will apply the gift card balance to your order just like in store. If there's a remaining balance, you can pay it with another payment method saved in your app, like a credit card or debit card. Then confirm and place your order. Want McDonald's delivered? Check if your delivery service app, like Uber Eats or DoorDash, allows you to add McDonald's gift cards. This option varies if available. The process is similar to using the gift card in the McDonald's app. Add the card details at checkout. And that's it. You're now a pro at using your McDonald's gift card to satisfy your cravings. Enjoy your McDonald's.